Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pinnacle of English. In today's class, we are going to learn a chapter from class 9 CBSE English. The title of the lesson is The Little Girl, which is written by Catherine Mansfield. Let's see the introduction of the little girl. The title of the story refers to the main character that we will come across, the little girl named Kezia. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer Catherine Mansfield wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. Although, when children are small, when they are young, they do not feel that their parents love them because their parents are strict and many actions of the parents seems unjustified. But as children grow up, they realize that all the acts done by their parents were beneficial to them. The parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for the children. And this bond of love between parents and their children has been highlighted through this story. Now let's see the summary of this lesson, The Little Girl, in English. In the story, there was a little girl named Kezia. She lives with her father, her mother, and her grandmother. Also, she was afraid of his father and tries to avoid him all the time. Moreover, she feels confronted on seeing his father leaving for office. She was so afraid of her father that she mumbles in front of him as he appeared to her as rude, critical, and harsh. Further, her grandmother sought her to understand her parents better. That's why she would encourage her to go to the drawing room to chat with her parents. Then again, she finds them cold towards her. So, one fine day, her grandmother suggested Kezia prepare a pincushion for her father's birthday. Consequently, Kezia stitches the three sides of the pincushion casing, but after that, she needs to stuff the cushion with something. That's why she goes to her mother's room, 6 number, the bed table. There she finds many sheets of fine paper. Then she torn the paper into small pieces and filled the pincushion and sew up the fourth side. However, she doesn't that those papers contain her father's very important speech for the port authority. Although she accepted her mistake and tries to explain the reason why she does it. But her father was too angry to listen to her reason and punished her with a ruler on her palm. However, she failed to understand why she met out to punishment even after she accepted her mistake. Terribly, she said, "What did God make father for?" Most importantly, one evening she saw Mr. McDonald's playing with her 5 children, laughing and enjoying with them. This event influenced Kezia that all fathers are not similar. She concluded that some father is caring and loving like Mr. MacDonald, and some are harsh like her father. However, her attitude towards her father changed someday. Her mother needs to be hospitalized and her grandmother goes with her. So Kezia was alone in the house with the cook. The day went fine, but the night was a different issue. In the middle of the night, she woke up of fear, screaming and weeping as she had a terrible nightmare. When Kezia opened her eyes, she saw her father right next to her. Her father carried her to his bedroom and made her comfortable and warm on his bed. Further, her father told her to rub her feet with his legs and set them warm. She spends the night with him, feeling comfortable and safe. After that, she realized that her father was not a bad person and he loves and cares for her in his own way. Moreover, he had to work a whole day to provide for his family and was too weary by evening to play with her. Now, let's understand the main character of the story, Kezia. Kezia was a little girl who was very afraid of her father. Her father's appearance made her very frightened and detached from him. She had never witnessed to love and warmth of her father. She felt that her father didn't have a soft part in him. Her father, on the other hand, had a strict and authoritative outlook. The father and daughter's conversation was limited to be negligible. It was only the day when her father comforted her after the nightmare that she came to know about the softer part of her father. Now let's understand important characters, important questions of NCRT which is given in the textbook itself. Question number 1. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Answer is Kezia was afraid of her father because he was very strict, who always used to give commands to everybody else in the house. He never played with her. He had big hands and heavy face, especially his mouth when he yawned very big, and she was especially terrified with the manner in which he looked at her over his spectacles. Question number 2. Who were the people in Kezia's family? Kezia's family consisted of her mother, father, grandmother, and herself. Question number 3. What was Kezia's father's routine? Before going to his office, after coming back from his office, and on Sundays? There are 3 questions in one question. Answer is before going to his office, Kezia's father usually went into her room to give her a casual kiss. After coming back from his office, he ordered for tea to brought into the drawing room. He also asked his mother to bring him the newspaper and his slippers, and Kezia to pull off his boots. On Sunday, Kezia's father would stretch out on the sofa. He would cover his face with his handkerchief, put his feet on one of the cushions, and sleep soundly. Next question number 4. In what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Kezia's grandmother encouraged her to get to know her father better by sending her to the drawing room to talk to her parents on Sundays. She also suggested Kezia to make a pincushion out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk as a gift for her father's birthday. Next question. Discuss these questions in class with your teacher and then write down your answers in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Question is, Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him. On every Sunday, her grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have nice talk with father and mother. But her presence always irritated the father. He used to call her little brown owl. One day, her grandmother told her that her father's birthday would be next week and suggested that she would make him a pincushion for beautiful gift. After stitching 3 sides of the cushion with double cotton with great care and effort, Kezia was stuck as to what to fill the cushion with. Since her grandmother was busy in the garden, she searched her mother's bedroom for scraps. Finally, she discovered sheets of paper on the bed table. She gathered these, tore them up, and filled the cushion with the torn pieces. Unfortunately, her efforts to please her father not only went in vain but also had an anticipated consequences. This was because the sheets she had torn were her father's speech for the port authority. Her father scolded her for touching things that did not belong to her and punished her by hitting her palm with a ruler. Here we are ending our understanding, explanation, NCERT questions and important character. I hope you have liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe it, click on like button and even the bell button for further notifications.